Thank you so much for helping this channel reach 5 subscribers. I promised that when we hit 5 subscribers, I would share a strategy video with you all. I'm really sorry for uploading it a bit late, but anyway, let's get started. In this video, I'll show you the complete strategy, including risk management, money management, and lot size. Everything will be up to you to apply properly. For this strategy, I'll use Forex and Gold, and as an example, I'll demonstrate it on the Euro to US dollar market. First, we need to do some basic settings. You have to set your time according to the New York session. After that, stay on the 15-minute 15M time frame until 9:30. At 9:30, the candle that forms on the 15M time frame, you need to mark its high and low. Then, switch to the 5-minute 5M time frame. Now, if the price breaks the high, you take a buy trade. If the price breaks the low, you take a sell trade. This is a very simple strategy. I'll also show you the backtesting results from the last few months. But you also have a responsibility. You must backtest this strategy yourself. The more data you have, the more confidence you'll gain when trading live. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your trading friends.